Gemini, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 4 to 10, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Gemini, let's see what's up, what's coming to you this week for Gemini. Okay. Oh, the sun. This is about energy, awareness, clarity, creativity. So, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay energetic this week. Maaring marami kayong ma-accomplish this week. May creative energy rin for you. Some of you, maaring may mga travel opportunities. Or may mga gagawin kayo ng mga activities na you will bring out the child in you or heal the child in you. Yung inner child. Ayan. You will also go with the flow. Ito yung tipong wala ka masyadong plano for the whole week. Kung saan ka lang mapunta, kung ano lang, basta go with the flow ka lang. Wala masyadong plans. O, diba? May Mars dito, action. So, kung ano lang yung maisip mong gawin, yun yung gagawin mo. Kung saan yung maisip mo na puntahan, pupuntahan mo. So, let's see ano pa. And I also see you na mas ngayon, mas risk taker or mas malakas yung loob mo na sumubok ng mga bagay na you have never done or you have never tried before. You have the Justice card, Libra energy. This is bringing balance in your life. Some of you merong tawag doon, magre-reveal or tipong meron siyang meron siyang sasabihin, magtatapat, ayan, magko-confess ng feelings. Yes, with the Two of Cups. Kasi the Justice card is also finding out the truth, yung katotohanan. So maaring this week, someone might be confessing their feelings towards you or pwedeng ikaw yung magko-confess ng feelings towards that person. You also have the 8 of Pentacles and the 9 of Wands. So, rewards, no? So, I see you getting rewards sa iyong trabaho, sa career mo. Yung mga projects mo na medyo nag-struggle ka in the past. So, ngayon, matatapos mo na yan. Finally, you also have the King of Cups. This is having love and compassion sa buhay mo. So, you are going to be more expressive of your feelings. Ito yung tipong hindi lang sasabihin, hindi mo lang siya sasabihin, but also gagawin mo rin siya. And with the Justice card here, I also see you spending more time with your loved ones, no? Or especially yung romantic partner mo, kung ikaw hindi na masyadong nakapagbigay ng oras at panahon sa mahal mo sa buhay or sa romantic partner mo, ngayong week na to, you will spend more time with them. With the 8 of Pentacles, meron ka rin i-master ng mga skills, pwedeng may mga training opportunities ka, and yung iba sa inyo patapos na yung training na to. Or kung ano man tong pinag-aralan nyo or nire-research ninyo, and hindi siya madali, no, for some of you, pero kinaya nyo kasi dedicated kayo. Meron kayong some sort of challenges na pwedeng kaharapin, pero lang yan, temporary lang. So, ibig sabihin, magagawa nyo agad yan ng solusyon. O, diba? May good luck. Yes, may swerte pa rin for you, Gemini. Horseshoe. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng itong problema na kakaharapin nyo related sa government, related sa authority, pwedeng legal matters. Pero, suswertehin pa rin kayo kasi maayos nyo yan. Maayos nyo rin yan. Meron ditong hidden secrets. Okay. That can harm you. So, I think this week, pwedeng merong revelation from someone na itinago sa'yo for quite some time. Pero, nung nalaman mo, hindi mo nagustuhan. O, 'di ba? May disappointment sa friend or a lover. For some of you, this can be a secret or mga bagay na itinago sa'yo ng person na malapit sa'yo na I think this person will come forward, no? Siya mismo yung mag-initiate na magsabi sa'yo nito. So, hindi mo naman to maririnig pa sa iba. Dun mismo sa taong nagtatago sa'yo. Siya yung magsasabi sa'yo niyan. So, in need of help, assistance, and guidance. Yes. So, ngayong week rin na to, you might be needing some help. And I think someone is also willing to help you ngayong week na to. Ano man tong challenge na kaharapin ninyo. Some of you, relationship to sa isang person na naging very, very close sa'yo. Disappointment lang to. Siguro may reason kung bakit inilihim nyo yan muna sa'yo. Pwedeng to protect you. So, I suggest na pakinggan mo rin kung bakit yon kinip sa'yo, bakit yon itinago sa'yo. Okay? Try to understand. Pwede tong related sa family with the 4th house. You have North Node and then Sagittarius. So, North Node in Sagittarius. So, some of you, meron kayong travel opportunities or meron kayong ipupursue na higher learning. Yung mga gusto nyo pang palawigin or palawakin yung inyong kaalaman sa specific na interest ninyo sa buhay. So, if you are interested in, let's say, business, so mas palalawakin mo pa yung kaalaman mo sa business. If you are interested with someone, no, mas kikilalanin mo tong taong to. But for some of you, merong opportunity for you to relocate abroad, no? Parang dun na kayo, may migration, no? Pwede ring magsa-start na kayong magplano niyan or pwedeng may mga good news na darating regarding sa mga applications ninyo abroad. You also have the Page of Cups. You have the 5 of Cups and the Page of Wands. So, ang daming young energies dito. Some of you, maaring you will be dealing with your kids kung meron ka ng mga anak. I also see you na parang mas babawi ka sa mga anak mo, lalo na kung medyo hindi mo sila nabigyan ng attention lately. Oo, kasi meron kang regrets about the lost time and energy na hindi mo na ipakita or na ibigay sa kanila. Oo, some of you naman, mga yung mga hindi nyo ipinursu nung mga nakaraan na pinabayaan nyo lang or parang isinantabi nyo. Possible that this week, you will realize na meron pa kayong chance na ayusin yon, i-work out yon. Okay? So, this is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.